Did you know you can get up to $50,000 in business loans without a personal guarantee? And the best part, if you build your business credit the right way, banks won't even check your personal credit. Today I'm going to reveal the secrets that allow businesses to get funding with zero personal risk. Let's get started. Most people apply for business loans using their personal credit, but this is a big mistake. When you take a loan under your personal name, your credit score is on the line. But with corporate credit, your business builds its own credit history completely separate from you. Think about it. Companies like McDonald's or Amazon don't use their CEO's personal credit to get loans. They use business credit. And today I'll show you exactly how you can do the same. First, you need to form an LLC. Then get an EIN from the IRS. It's like a social security number, but for your business. Next, register for a DUNS number. This is crucial because lenders use it to check your business credit. You must have a business bank account. Banks like Chase, Capital One, or Navy Federal are great options. Also, make sure your business has a real address, phone number, and a website. This makes it look credible to lenders. Start by buying from net 30 vendors like Uline, Quill, and Granger. These companies report payments to business credit bureaus/credit groups, pay your invoices on time, and within a few months your business credit score will grow. Once you have some credit history, apply for business credit cards like Capital One Spark, Amex Blue Business, or Chase Inc. Business. These cards don't require a personal guarantee if your business credit is strong. After 6 to 12 months of building credit, you can apply for high-limit loans from banks and fintech lenders. You can also get non-personal guarantee credit cards from companies like Brex, Divvy, and Ramp. Now that you know how to build business credit, in my next video I'll show you how non-US residents can also get business funding in America without a social security number. So make sure to subscribe and drop a comment below. Have you started building your business credit yet? Let me know.